Good morning everyone, this is Aarti from DivaBeautyAE and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do something exciting, so stay tuned, I'll take you through it. I have now reached Mushrif Park and now heading to Aventura. Yes, it's an adventurous zip lining park, so quite excited to start with this. While standing in the queue to enter the park, there is a QR code which directs you to a form you need to fill to enter the park. Here are the ticket prices, and here we have below a bucket list of things to do at Aventura.
Welcome to Aventura Parks.
So I have attended the briefing and now put my harness on as well. Got my wristbands and ready to get it started. I am now heading to the training ground where they would train us how to go through the zip line and the various adventures over here. It's an outdoor park and so much fun. Here is the training area and a queue where they will train you as to how to go about the park so that you have a smooth journey. Let's wait here. First you take this one and clip it here, and then you take the second one and attach it here, and then go ahead to the training. Here at the Aventura, the Nature Adventure Park, there is a circuit map. You can see pink for mini kids, and then Rangers, Explorer, Thriller, Aventura, Extreme and Training. So these are the levels at the Aventura Park, which you can check which one fits you better and go ahead. Here I'm at the Explorator level, which is the easy one. The difficulty is quite low. So for the people who don't know how to go about it, so better start with that. Now going with the Explorer and too many more rides after that. Once you're tired or want to take a break, here we have Café Chris, bistro and cafe. You can go ahead and refresh yourself with some fresh juice and meals. It's got an apple seating space, of course maintaining social distancing, and you have some magazines to read too if you want to take a break and read a magazine. Or until you wait for your food, you can read a magazine, play with your family, enjoy the time at Café Chris when you're at Aventura Park. Here there's Diary of Wimpy Kid for little ones too who enjoy, and even card books for toddlers and young kids. Again, they have a huge selection of fresh juice, smoothies, milkshake, some sandwiches, salads, and also pizzas, pasta, some comfort food, fries, and here we have some sweet treats as well. Yay! Okay, and they have chips for little ones, some muffins, cake, tarts, so much. Wow, it's like chocolate muffin, I can see that. Some fruits for you, juices, freshly cut fruits, brownie, and drinks, soft drinks, salads, and so much. For the meals, I've opted for penne napoli and jalapeno cheesy fries, some hot chocolate, and lemon and mint. For some healthy eaters, there is pumpkin and tuna salad. How bright and fresh this looks. And how can we escape eating Aventura pizza? This is, yes, vegetarian pizza. Looks really delicious. Let's dig in. After the yummy meal, going to explore furthermore. Here we have Aventura level, and this one is the extreme here. That's ahead, up. So Aventura, that's here. You go back. This is the spider web. Make sure your hands are strong enough to get through this. And of course, your mind and body coordination, you have to hold on for a long time. I can't describe how much fun it was. I tried the extreme level, which is one of the hardest, and it was amazing. Yeah, at one point of time, rather 2-3 point of time, I felt like giving up, and I was like pushing myself. No, you can do it. No, you can do it. That's how I pushed myself and completed the extreme level. Yes, you will feel like giving up many a times in between. Just push yourself, make your mind strong, and I'm sure you can do the entire range over here. It's so much fun. The black one, the extreme, is the most difficult one, but there are much easier levels which you can do it. So it's amazing outdoor park, something that you can challenge your mind and body for. Too good. So that's the end from my end at Aventura Park. Do try it out, definitely recommend it. It's at Mushrif Park, and I thoroughly enjoyed the experience. Definitely try it out. If you love some adventure, some sports, zip lining, this is the thing for you. Signing out now, so please do like my video, give it a big thumbs up, comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Till next time, see ya, bye bye.